guys, welcome back to another video. We just checked in our hotel here in Dubai. We're staying in the Marina area. It's called Vida Dubai Marina and Yacht. I'll leave a link down below, but check out this room. So we actually didn't book this room, but we got a free upgrade. So thank you for that. Shout out to the hotel. But it is a suite and it is amazing. Wait till you guys see. So as soon as you walk in, here you have your first bathroom. Yes, I'm not sure why you need two, but there's two bathrooms in this suite. So that's the first one. No shower in this one, so it's just a toilet and a sink. You have your little entryway here, mirror. Then if you go to your right, you enter like your bedroom area. And here you have bathroom number 2. You have your dual sinks. And look at this view. Right now it's nighttime, but we got here during the day and it looked amazing. And even at night, if I turn off the lights. All right, look at that. Look at that view. We have the marina view. You can see over there the Ferris wheel. Earlier, the sunset was like on that side. Just absolutely beautiful. Definitely using this baby. Then over here you have one door is your toilet, and then the other door is your shower. Really nice size shower. Then here, right in front of your bathroom, you have all your closet space. A lot of closet space. 4 of these doors. You have yet another mirror and then like a little desk area here. And then you get your bedroom. So this is a king bed. So again, this is a suite, but it's only 1 bedroom and 2 bathrooms. But really nice, nicely decorated, simple, minimalistic almost, really like it. Then here you also have a balcony door, and I'm gonna hold that off and show you the balcony all together at once. So leave that to see for a little bit. Let's move on. So going outside your bedroom area, you have here a living room space. So you have a couch, you have your little coffee table, you have a desk, TV. Pretty good sized room. Then you have over here just like whole another little area here with your coffee maker, your complimentary water. Idel already made himself a coffee. Then you have your little mini fridge. It doesn't have anything, but you have that option. And then the rest are just like cabinet space for you to put your stuff in. Alright, and now let's go check out this amazing view and insane balcony. Hello, babes.
Hello. I was watching the boats.
Is this view not insane? And this balcony goes on for like forever. So you have this little table set up here as soon as you walk out of the living room. And then to your right, there's a lot more space. This is where the bathroom was. Then if you keep going, you have another little table set up which leads out to the bedroom. But this view is just insane. I know I've completely lost Idel with the marina view. He's just gonna sit here and watch boats go by all the time. literally a complete 180 view of the Dubai Marina area. Absolutely love it. Amazing hotel. Again, we didn't even book this room. We got it as a free upgrade. So shout out to Viva Hotels. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, leave it down in the comments below. And again, I'll leave the link to this hotel down in the description. Stay tuned for our upcoming Dubai videos. We have a desert safari tour, so make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button so you can be updated when we post those videos. Thank you guys for watching.